be catching waterfalls. Now we're fucking catching coronavirus.
Look.
We're tasting the Rona.
Look how many people are here. This lot's full. There's a lot up at the top of the hill. I'll show you guys in a sec that's full. There's traffic jams. Literally, there's a traffic jam as far as you can see. This massive lot is full. Up there's another lot that's full. Down there is, I think, the main lot that's full. There's the visitor center. I don't even know if you can park there, but this is gonna be a nightmare.
I do want to say one thing. That's not traffic. Those are parked cars. So that's false information. So
I'm mistaken. Those are parked cars. So that's my bad. But there is a traffic jam on that side, so I'm partially correct. We're eating some carrots right now before we go.
Gotta make sure we don't have fake news on our vlogs.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So last time Bri and I were here, it's actually on a road trip with our homie Sean. None of this was here, and it just seems like this place has gotten extremely commercial because they've added like 6 parking lots. Like, we parked on the side of the road and just walked right up. So like none of this looks familiar. So
no, none of it.
Like none of it.
Like the same place.
So a little confused, but we're almost there.
Kevin drops like a thing that goes to his camera down here, and I see it.
I don't even.
And he says there's no way that I'll be able to get it. So
I think if you see it, oh yeah, that's it, that black ring. So my lens went to the shop for 2 months, and I paid $800 for it, and it was a horrible fix, and it took like 3 times, and I don't know, but yeah, that fell off.
He doesn't think I can get it.
I told her I'd bet money she can't get it.
That makes me want to get it even more.
Let's see.
Not even necessarily to get it for him, just to prove that I can get it.
Let's see. You look funny as shit.
Oh, it's gonna be close.
I look so stupid. Did you get it? Oh my gosh. There's too many thorns. You were so close. You were so close. Thank you for trying.
Look at this too. Waterfall and bathrooms and food. Maybe we're here.
Oh yeah, maybe we are. I feel like we're so close. Platforms we were shooting at earlier. We walked all the way around, crossed that bridge, came around, and now we're here. Maybe get some shots over here too before hitting the other spots. So we stopped in the general store. I normally skip out on these, but Bri normally makes me go, and I'm normally bummed about it, but we got tons of amazing chocolates that looks super insane, so I'm hyped.
When he said he normally skips out on these, I thought he was talking about the chocolates. I was like, he never skips out on the chocolates.
That's true. We are gonna head up to Cucumber Falls. The first spot we thought was Cucumber Falls, but we're not really sure what the name of that one was. We were gonna drive, but the parking situation was so bad, and they're doing construction, so that's why there's been like traffic jams. So we're just gonna walk. We think it's like, I don't know, 10-15 minute walk. It's hard to say because there's no service, but the scale on Google Maps looks like just under a mile. So we're gonna hit Cucumber Falls and then do the natural water slide. Well, I'm an idiot, and we were on our way to the waterfall, and I realized the GoPro underwater dome that I just bought and I was super fucking keen on using it at this spot specifically. I forgot it. So we're going back, and then I think we're just gonna drive and hopefully find parking. It's getting pretty late, so hopefully there's some spots open. We are getting more stickers to make it kind of more our van and where we go. And eventually we are trying to cover these up.
Which we did not do.
Yeah, I bought it like that. All right. Nice. All right, so I just came down to the bottom of the waterfall. I bought the dome the other day for the GoPro 8. It's actually my first time using the GoPro and first time ever using a dome. But the water's pretty clear, so I'm hoping I can get some good shots or a good video or something. We'll see. The dome was super sick. But I didn't buy the thing that you spray on the outer glass to make it like the water droplets. It's resistant to that. I don't know what it's called, but I should have bought it. I didn't. You'll probably see in the footage what I'm talking about. But other than that, it's super cool little thing. So I'm excited to buy that and then kind of get some more use out of it.
I will show you some behind the scenes of Kevin and his dome.
So real quick before we head to the water slide, we're gonna try to get some shots at the top of the waterfall. I'm not gonna get too close to the edge, but we are right on top and it is crazy. We got some funny.
Gives me a heart attack. He scares me all the time.
But we got some cool photos and I played it safe. I didn't go too risky. Now we're gonna head to the water slide, which neither of us have ever been to. My first day using the GoPro 8. Hopefully I don't eat shit and lose this.
You okay from your tumble in the water slide?
I'm fine, but Bri said I'm bleeding.
You have a little blood.
Can I see?
Oh my gosh. I am not going to do it because I'm not a fan of water. So Kevin will, and hopefully he does not get hurt.
It looks like it's
What are you doing?
I'm changing right now. And this is how you change in van life.
What'd you just take off?
My
Show me
boxers-
those.
Oh, and a car just pulled in. I've got literally nothing on.
Put it on.
Now, you can walk back and show them what this looks like.
Alright, so you guys saw some funny footage of Kevin sliding down this natural water slide, and now we're back at the car and he's dried off. So super fun. I didn't do it, but it was just as exciting watching him. So
Yeah, it's been a pretty sick day out here in Ohiopyle between the two waterfalls. What?
he's just so cute.
You're funny. Yeah, between the two waterfalls and the natural water slide, there's tons of awesome stuff. It's been an awesome day aside from popping the tire. As you guys saw, we got a nice new one. But yeah, that's it for the day. If you're passing through here, there's a bunch of nice hotels, but also if you only have an afternoon, it's plenty to kind of see all this stuff like we did. There's a lot of awesome shops in town and stuff like that. And if you want to do the slide, bring a bathing suit.
Yeah, bring a bathing suit.
And one of these guys.
Yeah, a towel. It was kind of chilly now in the evening. However, I bet it's packed during the day. So pick your poison, warm or lots of people.
Yeah, so plan it. Don't come on a Saturday too, because there's tons of people.
Yes.
But hope you guys enjoyed.
Bye.
Peace.